Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to manage contacts in HubSpot CRM. Managing your contacts properly is the foundation of using any CRM, and in HubSpot, this is where everything starts. If your contacts are disorganized, your emails, deals, and follow-ups will also be messy. But if you manage them correctly, everything becomes easier and more effective. Start by opening HubSpot and logging into your account. From the left sidebar, click on CRM. This is where all your customer data is stored. Under CRM, click on Contacts. Now you'll see your contact list. From the list, you can select any contact. Once you do that, you'll see multiple options. Let's break them down. Assign a contact. You can assign the contact to yourself or a team member. Click Edit to update details like name, email, phone number, and company. You can also delete a contact if it's no longer needed. Review associations. This helps you see what the contact is linked to. Clarification. This shows the full relationship of that contact in your system. You can also create tasks related to the contact. You can also click on the More button and enroll in sequences, which are automated follow-ups. Enroll in workflows, which are used to automate processes. At the top of the contact page, click on the three dots. Then click Edit Properties. Here you'll see all the data fields tied to that contact. Examples: email, lifecycle stage, and lead status. Clarification. Properties define what information you track, and you can check or update them as needed. Using HubSpot effectively starts with clean and well-managed contacts. To summarize, managing contacts in HubSpot involves going to the CRM section, opening contacts, selecting a contact, and using options like Assign, Edit, Delete, Review associations, create tasks, and enroll in sequences or workflows, along with managing properties through the Settings menu. This helps you stay organized and use the CRM effectively. And that's how to manage contacts in HubSpot CRM. This might seem simple, but it's actually one of the most important skills you can build when using a CRM. Most people ignore contact management, and that's exactly why their systems become messy and hard to use. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.